How to create a Discord account without email. Creating a Discord account is possible without an email, so let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, download the Discord app and tap on the Discord app on a mobile device. Then there you can see a register button available. Tap on the register. Now you can see there are two options available, phone and email. Simply tap on the phone and fill out your phone number in the available space there and tap on the next option available. Make sure you choose the correct country code, and once you tap on the next, you will be navigated to enter your CAPTCHA. All you have to do is enter the correct CAPTCHA. Now, what happens is you will have to enter the verification code that has been sent to the number you have just provided to the Discord. Simply type down the number and tap on the next button available there. Now you will have to enter your name, type down your name and tap on the next button available there. This will be your display name. Now all you have to do is enter your username and create a password. And once done, so tap on the next button available there and you will be signed up to your new Discord account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.